Hey everybody, this is Kelly Hernandez. This is step 7, where we're going to talk about editing the video some more, putting that intro music, and I'll also be talking about in detail how I typed the wording in my intro video, so I'm going to go right on in it. So here I already went into my file folder, I selected the video I wanted, and I clicked the add button and I dropped it into this rectangular frame. Also, we're not going to go too much into this because again, I want to keep it very brief, very simple to understand. Here, each frame or each section has a purpose. This section, as you can see, has the film, so this is where your film is going to go. This is for music. So let's go on into what Filmora has to offer. We have openers, we have titles, lower thirds, subtitles, end credits, and new content. Filmora always is coming with new content, just so you can know. So now we're going to go to openers. As you saw in step 6, I chose this one, so I'm going to just select this option. I'm going to click add. I'm going to select this frame. And what I'm going to do here is I'll show you. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to take this over here. I'm going to delete this. This is what I call the starting point. So I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to take this and I'm going to drag it right there. Usually I let the intro video section to be at least 5 to 10 seconds. Why is that? Just so you can have like that suspense feeling for those viewers that video is coming, but don't let it be too long. Also up here, it will tell you in which bracket the frame is going to be in. So I'm going to bring this actually a little bit back over here. I don't want the introduction to be too long. Then I'm going to click add. I'm just going to bring this a little bit more over here just so there's no spacing. So next we're going to go right onto here. We're going to go here and we're going to type in what we want our heading to be here. As you saw in my other video in step 6, you saw that I put successful how-to videos, training with Hernandez. So I'm not going to type that out right now. I'm just letting you know how it's done. So then we press OK. Also, to add that audio. Like I discussed, this section is for audio. So then they have all these different genres, which is pretty neat. We have young and bright, tender and sentimental. Depending on your style and what your niche is, you can go accordingly what genre you would like to use. I personally like the electronic genre, so I will pick the perfect muse. Also, just so you know, you can actually click on this and have a preview sample of what that music will be in your introduction video. So I'm going to just add this. You see how this is very long. I don't want it to be that long. I don't want it to cut into my video, so I'm just going to do this. I'm going to take this. Let's fix that noise level. I'm going to take my line right here. I call it the starting point. I want to make sure it's right here. I'm going to take this. I'm going to, and I'm going to move this just back there. Then I'm going to take this part and I'm just going to shrink it to where that introduction stops. So I'm stopping it right there. Okay, so now we're going to see how this all flows. Hey, my name is Kelly Hernandez. Welcome to step 6 and 7. All right, so right there, I wanted to show you how I added that frame, the introduction, the text, and the music. So thank you for watching. That is step 7. I will go more in detail how we make that introduction video flow better, how we pick the perfect music, what we want, add different text, and how we can make it flow into the screen. Do we want to make it disappear? Do you want to make it come from the right, the left of the screen, but we'll go more into detail in the next steps to follow. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Kelly Hernandez.